Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Love Train on guitar. We'll start by mastering the three core open chords, C major, F major, and G major. These are the building blocks for the entire song. Pay close attention to your finger placement to ensure each note rings out clearly. Practice transitioning smoothly between these shapes, aiming for a seamless flow. This foundational step is crucial for developing a solid and enjoyable playing experience. Now, let's dive into the iconic strumming pattern that gives Love Train its infectious groove. The pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. Focus on maintaining a steady, consistent rhythm, almost like a train chugging along. Try to keep your strumming hand moving continuously, even when you're not hitting the strings. Remember to use a slightly lighter touch on the upstrokes and a bit more emphasis on the downstrokes to capture that classic feel. The beauty of Love Train lies in its straightforward and repetitive song structure. The main chord progression is quite simple: C major, followed by F major, then G major, and finally returning to C major. This sequence repeats throughout most of the song. Once you're comfortable with the individual chords and the strumming pattern, practice playing this entire four-chord progression continuously. Aim for a smooth, uninterrupted flow as you move from one chord to the next. To truly master Love Train, consistent practice is key. Begin by practicing slowly with a metronome to ensure your timing and accuracy are spot on. Gradually increase the tempo as you feel more confident. Also, listen to the original OJ's recording frequently to internalize the song's rhythm, feel, and nuances. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes each day to practice, focusing on one section at a time. You'll be playing Love Train like a pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.